literally everything. Just got this mobs. 56 is kind of what they're having me like Overwatch, like my main mode now. Oh! We have the lead though, so I guess it's better. Yo! And you may be asking, why is there chat mode? Alright. You see, if you haven't listened to it, but I record off of I would have recorded off of YouTube. The Xbox does not let you record on. Yeah, pretty nice to know that. Come on, everyone, let's push. That's definitely nice. My May almost just killed me. So I'm trying to back up. And I'm getting mollywopped. That's a horrible climb for Ripfire, but I'll take it. Gosh. And victory, first game of the day. Let's freaking go. And who got play of the game? I did. You know. Fuck you. What? I endorse people.
Anybody got a toothpick? Wow, got one of them mantis arms stuck between me molars. Hello.
Teleport away. Watch, right into this trap. Right into the trap.
What?
A few moments later.
The what? I'm gonna pressure that Widowmaker. Yo! Hey, it worked though. Watch this, watch this. Watch, I'm just gonna walk right into that. The bums they are. Of course they go Baptiste, bro. You suck. Oh no!
There's an enemy here.
1v1. No! Dang, oh my god, our team is popping off. And then, I think he's dead.
Fuck you, 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 I'm done!
So, let's go ahead and ignore that. Good. 30 seconds remaining. We can win this so easily. They suck. I mean, look at them. Only their Genji is carrying because he's rushing. He's trying to pressure, but they don't have anything. Okay, well, I just jinxed the tank. Is it Genji? No. I mean, that's stupid. But yeah, we were there.
Plenty of bombs to go around.
Oh my god, why is it fog?
I really need some new clothes.
Let me take you shopping in Seoul. I'll find you all the cutest stuff.
That just disappears.
Wow!
I mean, you can see that. Shut up, May. Yeah, that's what I thought. But yeah, now it's not foggy, but you know what I meant. You could barely see it anymore. Yeah, monkey and... I mean, technically we're like... We're anti-spaz right now, actually. They have Yo, okay. And they have soldier. Uh-oh. And wind is doing decent. Oh god. I need some wind. Check out our mercy. That's a pretty decent... Actually, no, not decent. That's a really good tracer. Tracer's camping up here? Should I want to wait until then ult. Yo! I thought the tracer was gonna come and get me. Nice. that, watch that, watch that. My team ass. Sorry, little bro. Wait, rip. That's 5 and 3, and then sorry, little bro. Oh, our mercy is down. They're still going spaz. I'm surprised. Don't we have monkey? Oh, Diva versus Diva, go! Oh, yep, team kill right here. Team kill, please. Yeah, let's charge ult right here. Bro, the guy left the game. What? Going really went Ash to trying to get Bob. I'm getting deja vu from this. Like, I'm not sure if I made a video or was editing a video. Hey, I killed the Zen. Yeah, so spoiler alert, we didn't even win this game. Like, we didn't win this fight. Yo! 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 I forgot to mark that Ash is getting on my nerves. I'm gonna ult. Like, how do you just know? You were just looking up into the air. You see this lag that I'm having to deal with? Let me go forward! Oh, big ults. Big self-destruct. I just got soloed. Oh. Big rip. Oh no. Hey, so excuse me, I burped. I don't think May is the right choice here, to be honest. Our tanks are doing really good. I mean, Winston, or, well, actually, Roadhog might be. Doesn't, Roadhog goes through Diva's AMP, but, like, also ult is kind of countered by him. So to be honest, I'm not even sure who actually counters Roadhog though. I love the healers in this game. That's freaking amazing. Oh my god. What was that shot? Uh-oh. Yeah, I'm kind of getting better at the punches on this account. Oh my god. Ew. Like, bro. Seriously though, that shot was disgusting. Somebody needs to stop me. Of course he deployed Bob. What? Didn't want that. Our Mercy is insulting to me. But to be honest, that was a bad ult too. Oh. Oh, you just saved me. I don't know. I thought I was gonna go forward more. We're going 3 healers. Y'all are desperate. Hey, GG's. Yeah, y'all don't get to see that. I did better. Actually, no, I did absolutely horrible, I think. I went 27-6. That's literally 10 less than our friggin' diva. She carried. Chemsburger. Truly the MVP. You really are a barbarian, aren't you?